Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 10. The book which we are doing is First Flight, and the chapter number is 4 from the Diary of Anne Frank by Anne Frank. Okay. Now, Anneliese Mary Marty Anne Frank, we have already read about it, and we have seen about the way Germany was, how the Jewish people had to go for hiding to Amsterdam during the World War II. Anneliese Mary Anne Frank, 12th June 1929 to February March. We are not sure whether she died in the month of February or whether she died in the month of March. 1945 was a German born Jewish girl. Okay, so she Jewish is the problem for her. Jewish girl who wrote while hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam. So they went in for hiding at Amsterdam, and this was during the Second World War II. World War II. During the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. This is a photo as I would wish myself to look all the time. Then I would maybe have a chance to come to Hollywood. So she always felt that she is very beautiful in this photograph. Her family has moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power. So in Germany, it was always against the Nazis and the Jews. After the Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into Netherlands. But were trapped when the Nazis occupation extended into the Netherlands. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased. Okay, as persecutions means killing of the people against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father's Otto Frank's office building. So the place which they chose for hiding is Otto Frank's office building. Okay, so they choose the Otto Frank's office building as their hiding place. Okay, after 2 years of hiding, so almost 2 years they were hiding there, and the group, after 2 years of hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system, where Anne Frank died of typhus. Typhus is a type of a fever, a high level fever, in Bergen-Belsen within days of his sister Margot Frank. So first Margot Frank died, and next was Anne Frank. She also died in the uh, concentration camp. The disease which she got was typhus. Typhus is a disease that is a fever, a viral fever, which has high temperature. Okay? Temperature that cannot be. Yes, it was. That is high temperature. Okay. Her father, Otto Frank, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find that her diary has been saved. Okay. So, the only person who survived in the entire thing is Otto Frank. And when he came back after the war, he found that the diary of this girl has been saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, he found that as a unique record. He took action to have published in English under the name The Diary of Young Girl. Okay, how it was there. The diary was given to Anne Frank on her 13th for her 13th birthday, and chronicles the events of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry 1st August 1944. Okay, so till this everything is recorded. 1st June. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages. So she wrote it in Dutch language, then it was translated to other languages and became a widely read book. There have also been several films based on that. They had films also based on the diary, described as the work of a mature and insightful mind. Why? A mature, insightful. She was able to think so much. In that situation, she felt it as the only way to let out. So she felt that as whatever she had inside, she had produced in it. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under the Nazi occupation. Life was not easy. The difficult times under the Nazi government, especially the Jews, were always under the check. They were they were taken into concentration camps. They made sure that none of the Jews lived after the World War. So they were put in concentration camps where they became very sick and they died. Okay, so that was how it was. They were troubled. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust time. That is a large number of people dying at the time or through some disease or some epidemic is Holocaust. It can even cost to the Holocaust can cost to the crops, it can cost to animals also, and here is why for the people Holocaust. Okay, almost all the people had died, a large number. Okay, died at a time due to some epidemic type. So even uh, Anne Frank died of typhus, which is a disease which is infectious, and unhygienic conditions of the concentrated camps has was the result of all these things. So on the other day we said about the diary, journal, log and memoirs. What are all the different types of books, like a journal, what is a diary, what is a log, what is a memoir. So a book with a separate space or page for each day in which you write down your thoughts and feelings or what has happened on that day. A full record of a journey, a period of time or events written every day. A record of person's own life and experiences, usually a famous person. A written record of events with times and dates, usually official. A book with a separate space or page for each day in which we write is always the diary, is it not? Yes. A full record of the journey, the full period or event written every day is memoirs. And journal is a record of person's a record of a person's life experience of a person is memoir. A written record of events with times, usually official, is log. Okay. Journal is a full record of journey, period of time, event written every day is a journal. Here are some entries from the personal record. So you can find out which one it suits. Is it a journal? Is it a diary? Is it a logbook? Is it a memoir? I woke up very late today and promptly got scolding from the mom. I can't help it. How can I miss FIFA World Cup matches? Is it a journal, diary, log, or memoir? It is a diary. 10 a.m. went to the office of the director at 1 p.m. Had lunch with chairman. 5:45 received Rahul at the airport. 9:30 p.m. dinner. So full record of the journey, period of time, etc. So it's a journal. The ride to Ooty was uneventful. We rested for a while every 15 kilometers or so, and used the time to capture the magnificent landscape with my handycam. From Ooty, we went to Bangalore. What a contrast! The noise and pollution of this once beautiful city really broke my heart. So, what is this? Memoir. This is how Rajkumar found me. All wet, dragged outside the orchestra studio. He was up then looking just for someone like this for a small role in Mera Naam Joker, and he cast me on the spot. The rest, as they say, is history. So what is it? So log. Writing in a diary is really a strange experience for someone like me. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musing of 13-year-old schoolgirl. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling little depressed and was sitting at the home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience. And since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff backed notebook, grandly referred to as diary, unless I should ever find a real name, it probably won't make a bit of difference. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep the diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. And I am not. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. They are all about 30 people and I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts and a good home. No, on the surface I seem to have everything except my one true friend. All I think about when I'm with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. Maybe it's my fault that we don't confide in each other in other case. That's just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is why I've started the diary to enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination. I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. But I want the diary to be my friend. I'm going to call this friend Kitty. She names the diary as Kitty so that because it's very close to her, and she is now telling about all her experiences In spite of having so many people around, how she was feeling lonely. Okay. Please read the remaining chapter and come. We shall see more in the next class. With this, I stop. Thank you, children.